Hi Riley, this is just a quick video response for you with regards your Beko DTGC7000W. Now you've got a condenser tumble dryer, and the basic fault that you've told me is the pump is working, but the water dispensing light is on all the time as soon as you start the program. Now this is usually a problem with either a blockage in one of the pipework at the bottom of the machine, which I'll show you in a second, or it is a problem with the switching system on the pump and the float is active, meaning that the pump chamber is full of water, or maybe the switch is faulty, and this is telling the machine that you've got water in the pump system, so it turns the machine off immediately for safety. Now what you want to do is I've put some detailed videos for you on this description in this video, and there is a video there to show you how to disassemble the pump, clean the pump motor out, and also make sure that the micro switch is working correctly and the float is rising and dropping in the chamber. Sometimes these float systems can stick. But also, if I disconnect this and just tilt the machine over for you, at the bottom of the machine there are a couple of pipes, and you want to make sure that those pipes are clear. I have come across a lot of these Beko condensing tumble dryers that are not draining water down from the actual condenser here. And if you look down in here at the condenser, you will find that there are a couple of pipes, one hidden on the left-hand side and one underneath the machine. You need to make sure the machine is completely level wherever you have it situated, and make sure that all the water that collects on the collection box goes down to the pump. The pump is running and managing to transfer water to the collection tray at the top. And while you're at it, it is really important that you clean these condenser boxes out regularly. There are two airflows that go through this box, and a lot of people are just cleaning it one direction. The air for the hot air system goes through this way, but the cold air is drawn in through the side and goes through to the other side where it's expelled at the bottom of the machine. Now, if these are not cleaned, the condenser will not work efficiently. This means that the water vapor recirculates in the machine without collecting. So it's very important to clean here. Also, make sure that you take the filter out and give down here a clean, as usually there is an NTC sensor down the bottom at the front of the machine that measures the airflow as well. Make sure that that is clean. Maintenance on these condenser tumble dryers is very important, and it will not only make the machine last longer, it will save you a lot of money with regards electric. Now, on the description of this video, as I said, I've put a link for you that will take you through to the web page, and there's some important things on the web page for you. I've got you the wiring diagram, the workshop manual, and exploded diagrams of the whole machine on your model. This will actually have reference numbers on them, which will match up to a full list of parts on the page to assist you. I've put 3 or 4 videos on the page for you as well with regards maintenance, cleaning the pump system, clearing any error codes, and also diagnostic procedures, which are in the workshop manual as well. The PDF is very descriptive with regards entering test mode and diagnosing problems with machine, and it also shows you how to dismantle your particular model of machine. I hope all this information helps you in repairing your machine. Feel free to come back to us at any time if you still got a problem, and even if you want to make it more easy for me to understand the problem, create a YouTube video on your personal account and then send me the link to the video so I can have a look at the problem you've got, rather than me sending emails backwards and forwards to each other. This helps me no end in diagnosing problems with the machine and being able to assist people. Now, also do us a favor, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, as that really does help my channel improve and help other people with problems with their Beko condenser tumble dryer. Thanks very much indeed for watching this video. I hope it helps you, and I hope all the information manages to get your machine up and running again. Thanks very much indeed for contacting us.